What if advanced computing, scanning, and communication could fit in a device smaller than your hand? It all does with Zebra's WS50 mobile computer. Let's go take a look. Hi, my name's Luke Hess, and I'm the Vice President of Business Development at the Barcode Factory. Today we're going to talk about the Zebra WS50 wearable computer. And this is the WS50. Companies are turning to wearable devices for a variety of reasons. Customers are expecting faster order fulfillment, which can be achieved with wearable solutions. The WS50 helps lighten your load. The average worker already carries 3 devices: a handheld computer, a two-way radio, and a scanner. And digitization provides real-time stock availability, helping to prevent stockouts. Small size, big impact. It's less than 3 inches wide and is very lightweight. It offers tap and pair connectivity with peripheral devices. The WS50 survives up to 1,000 consecutive tumbles and offers adaptable mounting options: 2-finger, back of hand, or wrist. The WS50 has intelligent scanning capabilities. With superior motion tolerance, it ensures successful scans. The 13-megapixel camera supports barcode scanning and proof of condition. You can capture multiple barcodes on one label with a built-in scanner. Protect uptime with Android. It has an easy-to-use interface. You can track battery performance, diagnose issues, and troubleshoot remotely. Zebra's mobility extensions add an extra layer of data protection. And that's all for the WS50. Thanks for taking a closer look at the WS50 with us. Please follow along for more informational videos. You can find us on the web at barcodefactory.com or give our team a call.